Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Mop Kit, a complete floor cleaning solution that includes a spray mop, 2 mopping pad refills, a fresh scented cleaning solution, and 2 batteries. Experience the superior cleaning power of the Swiffer PowerMop, which boasts 5 times the cleaning power with hundreds of scrubbing strips designed to absorb and lock in your toughest messes, making it a breeze to get them off your floors. With the Swiffer PowerMop, you can clean smarter and faster, cutting your cleaning time in half compared to traditional mop and bucket methods, including both cleaning and drying time. Enjoy the invigorating fresh scent that lingers for up to 2 hours after use, leaving your home smelling delightful. This versatile mop is safe for use across all hard-sealed and finished surfaces, though it's important to avoid using it on unfinished, oiled, or waxed wooden boards, non-sealed tiles, or carpeted floors due to their sensitivity to water. The Swiffer PowerMop is your go-to solution for a quick, efficient, and refreshing clean every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.